DH race. It's at the same time Red Bull Aizawl-Ah qualifier. I'm here with Pedro Burns, and this is the GoPro Trek preview. Let's go! Vamos. Let's go. So we're going straight into the MotoGP section. Full speed, high speed. This is gonna be scary. Oh, nice manuals. We're getting into left-hander, shark fin, big crowd. Woo! Oh man, this was high-speed section. Oh yeah, this is really narrow stairs. Pedro knows this place pretty well, so we're flying fast. Getting in here, super hard turn. Oh man, we're going down. Another MotoGP section, hard turn. Wow, little gappy, and now we're getting to the main section of the track. Longest stairs, pretty scary ones, pretty fast ones. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go! Oh man, this is wild. Whoop. Man, this is fast and scary. Left turn. Another MotoGP section. Wet on the ground. Super slippery surface. Yeah. People are loving it. I'm shifting like a beginner, but doesn't matter. High speed section. Big stairs. Whoa. Holy moly. That's a slippery one. And we're getting to the last section of the track. Final jump. Woo! And we're here. That was a sick one. So can't wait for Aizawl-Ah here next year. It's gonna be a wild one. Thanks, man. Oh.